All right, what's up, y'all? Just setting up for my own little garden this year. I'm definitely excited about that. And the whole premise of this garden is I want edible, edible product or edible plants. So I'll show you what we've got here: sage, tomatoes, Marglobe and Homestead, thyme, peppermint, cilantro is one of my favorites, hot peppers, more tomatoes and cilantro. Big fan of Mexican food, so all the makings of a great salsa in here. Sage, more tomatoes. So we doubled up on cilantro and tomatoes. Put that down there. All right. So basically what we've done, went to Lowe's, picked out some seeds of some plants that we want to grow. We've got some Miracle-Gro soil, and we've already started divvying it out into some of these smaller pots. So what we want to do is just grow a little bushel and then transfer that over to a bigger pot. That's going to be with the peppermint, the thyme, the sage, the cilantro. The peppers and the tomatoes are going to get the two bigger pots because we're going to try to get a good plant or two going and transfer that over. But that's what we're doing today, a little backyard gardening. Still trying to figure out the sunlight on the house, but we'll do a later video on that. So here we go. We're going to plant the peppermint, some tomatoes, peppers, cilantro, and both sage and thyme. So y'all check it out. All right, we just got our potting soil. This is actually a one of these house plants came in it, and I'm just reusing it. But sorry, I'm sniffling. I don't have coronavirus, though I'm trying to get away from it by gardening on the porch. These are the allergies. I have allergies from these trees out here. So, yep, we got our seed down. We're just gonna mix it in down to about an inch or so. Just below the surface. Once we water this down, they'll settle in real good. There we go. So 2 or 3 real strong plants will probably take control here in this pot. And I like to keep them in the pots so you can move them around. If it's not getting enough sunlight or too much shade or too much sun, whatever, at least while you're getting them going and they're small, you can move them around in a pot. And I also label jalapenos hot for 820. Label what they are and when I planted them. So all of these have been seeded so far, not watered just yet. It's supposed to rain today at like 6 o'clock, so that'll be real nice. Get some nice fresh water in these. Big pot of jalapenos. We got 2 more to do. The big ones, I'm doing some of the bigger fruit-bearing seeds. So tomatoes likely in the larger pots, just because it's going to be more conducive to the bigger plants. So there it is. That's what I've got going on today. A little garden nook on the porch. All right, here's another recycled pot that we're going to use. Basically just filled it up with Miracle-Gro here, and we're going to use this for tomatoes. Let's see, I've already opened one for tomatoes. There we go. We're going to use the Homestead tomatoes. Let's see, have we already got another one open? Yeah, we got 2 tomatoes open. Let's use the Marglobe instead of the Homesteads. We've got 2 tomatoes so far. I think. Yeah, got 2 tomatoes so far. That's a difficult call. I think we're gonna go with the Marglobes though. Those look a little smaller. I don't know. Gamble. Oh, I've got 2 pots left. Duh. So one will be Marglobes. One will be Homesteads. That's how we're gonna do this. All right. All right. Here is the Whisky Barrel Garden. Just starting everything out from seed right now. It is April 8th. So we really don't have here in Georgia the risk of frost at this time of year. Really, I just want to grow some things that I can eat, you know, like tomatoes and jalapenos and cilantro, right up my alley. So I got a bunch of that stuff in here. You know, doesn't look too bad. I mean, I could take the flags out and you wouldn't even know that there's a garden there. But as long as I keep it watered and keep it sunny and keep pests out of it, I should have some edible vegetables here in 3 or 4 months. So thanks for checking out the video. If you guys got any questions or comments, let me know, and y'all take care.